Ayun! Nasa ng ice cream. Ayun! Nasa ng egg. Nasa ng egg. Yun! Nasa ng
Monkey.
shoes.
Monkey. Where's the shoes? Shoes. Very good, baby.
There's apple.
Asan ang apple?
Apple.
Yung ball.
Nasa yung ball.
Yun. Ang galing ah.
Nasa yung cake.
Asan ang cake?
Ayun.
Cake, anak, cake. No. Where's the cake? Hindi pa niya alam
Nasa
yan.
ng one ball.
One ball.
Nasa ng one ball.
3 cars. 4 plugs. Yun. 2 apples. 2 apples. Nasaan na, baby?
Nasa ng star.
Where's the star? Ay, Beans, nasan daw yung star, baby? Oo, ikaw yan eh. Oy, no, anak. Deng. Deng, kunin mo sandali. Asa yung star, anak?
Puro may
Where's the
star?
star?
May star. Star.
Asan yung star?
Star. Star.
Star. Asa yung star, anak? Star. Naku, ayan. Triangle. Ayun. Where's your bird? Asan yung bird? Asan yung bird? Bird. Ayun. Where's your tummy? Yung tummy mo. Yan.
Yung tongue. Yung tongue.
Where's your tongue?
Yung tongue mo.
Where's your tongue? Ayun. Nguso, anak. Nguso.
Yung mouth. Yung mouth.
Nguso. Nguso.
Yung ears. Nasa yung ears.
Where's your ears? Oh, yung tummy. Yung tummy. Asan yung neck? Asan yung neck, anak? No, monkey yan. Papa ba yan? Papa? Asan yung fish? Where's the fish? Ayun. Ay! Nag-eat ng fish? Asan yung ball? Asan yung ball? Ayun. Asan yung shoes? Asan yung shoes? Ayun.
5 ducks.
5 ducks. Asan yung 5 ducks? 5 ducks, anak. 5 ducks. Ayun. Very good. Alam mo